Welcome to Auto Info. The Harley-Davidson Sportster S is a revolutionary motorcycle that marks a new chapter in the brand's storied history. With its cutting-edge design and advanced engineering, the Sportster S offers a bold departure from the traditional Sportster lineup while maintaining the core essence of Harley-Davidson. This motorcycle is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation, combining modern performance with the timeless appeal of Harley-Davidson's iconic DNA. Every aspect of the Sportster S has been crafted to deliver an exceptional riding experience, making it a standout choice for riders who value power, style, and versatility. At the core of the Sportster S is the Revolution Max 1250T engine, a liquid-cooled V-twin powerhouse that redefines performance in the cruiser segment. Delivering an impressive 121 horsepower, the engine ensures thrilling acceleration and dynamic responsiveness. Unlike its air-cooled predecessors, this modern engine provides a broad and flat torque curve, giving riders consistent power throughout the rev range. Whether cruising at low speeds or pushing the limits on open highways, the Revolution Max engine offers an exhilarating and smooth ride. Its advanced engineering, including variable valve timing and dual overhead camshafts, optimizes efficiency, power delivery, and reliability, ensuring that the Sportster S is ready for any adventure. The design of the Sportster S sets it apart from anything Harley-Davidson has done before. With its aggressive stance, compact frame, and high-mounted exhaust, the motorcycle exudes a sense of modernity and performance. Inspired by flat-track racing, the dual exhaust pipes enhance its muscular aesthetic while providing a distinctive and throaty exhaust note that resonates with the brand's heritage. Wide tires and a low-slung profile give the bike a bold, commanding presence, while the streamlined silhouette ensures it looks fast even when standing still. Every detail, from the finishes to the lighting, has been carefully considered to create a design that is as functional as it is striking. Technology plays a pivotal role in elevating the Sportster S to new heights. The motorcycle is equipped with advanced rider aids that enhance both performance and safety. Selectable ride modes, Sport, Road, and Rain, allow riders to adapt the bike's performance to their specific needs and riding conditions. Additionally, custom ride modes enable further personalization, letting riders fine-tune throttle response, traction control, and power delivery. These features make the Sportster S incredibly versatile, catering to experienced riders and newcomers alike. Safety and control are at the forefront of the Sportster S experience. The bike comes with cornering-enhanced ABS and traction control systems, which provide an extra layer of confidence during dynamic rides or challenging road conditions. These systems are seamlessly integrated, working in the background to ensure stability and control without detracting from the excitement of the ride. The lightweight chassis and advanced suspension setup further contribute to the bike's agility, making it responsive and easy to handle in various environments. Whether navigating tight urban streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the Sportster S delivers a riding experience that is both thrilling and composed. The cockpit of the Sportster S is a blend of tradition and modernity. At its center is a 4-inch TFT digital display that provides all the essential information in a clear and intuitive format. The display includes details such as speed, gear position, ride mode, and navigation prompts when paired with a smartphone. Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to stay connected while on the road, enabling access to music, calls, and turn-by-turn navigation. This seamless integration of technology ensures that riders remain focused on the road while enjoying the conveniences of modern connectivity. Comfort is another area where the Sportster S excels. The low seat height and mid-mounted controls create an ergonomic riding position that accommodates a wide range of riders. The bike's design reduces fatigue, making it suitable for long rides or daily commutes. Harley-Davidson has also made the Sportster S highly customizable, offering a range of accessories to suit different riding styles and preferences. Optional features such as a passenger pillion, backrest, and luggage solutions expand its versatility, allowing riders to tailor the bike to their specific needs. The Sportster S is not just about performance and style, it's also about creating an emotional connection with the rider. The deep, resonant exhaust note evokes a sense of power and excitement, while the overall design and performance inspire confidence and pride. Riding the Sportster S is an experience that engages all the senses, from the feel of the wind to the sound of the engine and the connection to the road. It's a motorcycle that reminds riders of why they fell in love with riding in the first place. Harley-Davidson's decision to innovate with the Sportster S reflects a broader strategy to attract a new generation of riders while staying true to its loyal fan base. The motorcycle combines the brand's heritage with modern technology and design, creating a product that appeals to both traditional enthusiasts and those seeking a contemporary, high-performance machine. The Sportster S represents a bold step forward for Harley-Davidson, signaling its commitment to remaining relevant in an evolving industry. The versatility of the Sportster S makes it an ideal companion for various riding scenarios. Its powerful engine and agile handling make it a joy to ride on open highways, while its compact frame and responsive controls are perfect for navigating busy city streets. The advanced technology ensures safety and adaptability, giving riders the confidence to tackle different road conditions and environments. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a high-performance machine or a newcomer seeking a bike that combines style and substance, the Sportster S delivers an experience that is both accessible and thrilling. The introduction of the Sportster S also highlights Harley-Davidson's focus on sustainability and innovation. By incorporating a liquid-cooled engine and advanced electronics, the motorcycle meets modern environmental standards without compromising performance. This forward-thinking approach ensures that Harley-Davidson remains a leader in the industry, appealing to a broader audience while staying true to its core values of freedom and individuality. Riding the Sportster S is more than just transportation, it's an experience that fosters a deep connection between the rider and the machine. The motorcycle embodies the spirit of exploration, freedom, and self-expression, values that have been at the heart of Harley-Davidson for over a century. With its blend of modern performance and timeless appeal, the Sportster S invites riders to embrace the open road and create memories that last a lifetime. The Harley-Davidson Sportster S is a motorcycle that challenges conventions and sets new standards for what a cruiser can be. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and striking design make it a standout choice for riders who value performance and style. At the same time, its versatility and comfort ensure that it's suitable for a wide range of riding scenarios and preferences. The Sportster S is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of intent, a symbol of innovation, and a celebration of the joy of riding. For those who seek adventure, individuality, and a connection to the road, the Sportster S is a perfect choice, representing the future of Harley-Davidson while honoring its legendary past. Please like and subscribe my channel.